you're organizing with Google Sheets. But documenting with Google Docs. Neither connects like you need it to, but your work depends on both. At Mesa, you can connect any apps into workflows that simplify how you get stuff done. So your data flows, your updates stay in sync, and your work just happens. For example, when a new row appears in your Google Sheets, a detailed Google Doc report will be generated automatically. Or whenever spreadsheet data changes, an updated Google Doc version is automatically created to reflect the latest values. Or even, when a new entry is added to your sheet, the related Google Doc is fetched automatically for quick reference. Mesa has built-in tools to give you complete control. So things happen when they should, how they should, and only if they should. Whatever you need to do between Google Sheets and Google Docs, make it happen with Mesa. Get started today for free.